Hey everyone, just getting to you here. So yeah, today I got well not today. Right now I'm having a pop. Um, one second, I gotta do some volume on my phone. Sorry about that. So yeah, I guess today I'm gonna be doing my music here real soon. Like I said, I know I've been talking about that. But here's one of the things I've never even mentioned. Um, you know, when we drink pop, how we people or us people drink pop. Some of us drink pop and recycle it. And then I never mentioned this. I was kind of thinking about making a homemade can baler. Yeah, bales of cans. That's what I was thinking about doing. And I mean, a good sized bale weighs about 20 pounds. A big bale of it. When you make a homemade baler, I'm probably gonna make one. Or I'm kind of thinking about making a homemade can crusher like you guys do with the pneumatic ram cylinder. Pneumatic is air, and that's pneumatic for air is pneumatic. Or I can go hydraulic, but I'd rather make the baler instead because they weigh about 20 pounds, the bales do. Or I can make a can crusher, but I'd rather make the baler instead. Because when aluminum pop can prices go up, I probably can take them in and get a little bit more for them. And plus I save aluminum anyways. I crush my cans anyways, and I usually bring a few in. In fact, I bring my aluminum pop cans to Curse Bombs down in the Minneapolis, St. Paul area. And right now they're paying like 40 cents a pound. They usually pay a bit better than that. They usually pay about 70 pounds for them. And then you get a little bit more. But I'm just gonna keep saving my aluminum until I can make that baler and then start baling some cans. So yeah, I'm just gonna after I bale some cans, I'm gonna save my bales of cans after they've been baled. And as soon as probably when prices go up, then I'm probably gonna bring them in probably and get a little more for them. But I hope I'm not making too long of a video here for you guys. So. But yeah, that would be a good idea to bale cans, and then turn them in for money. And that seems a really good idea. But I'll talk to you guys next time, alright? See ya.